To smoothly disperse the electric current to soil, consider CHEM grounding rods. There are several types of lightning grounding rod used separately or in combination, as selected by the installation company or contractor. Grounding rods, perimeter, ring, bare wire, radials, plates, and concrete, rebar, encased designs all constitute acceptable earth electrodes. The lightning grounding electrode is a dedicated part of the lightning protection system. No other ground shall be used as a lightning ground. As mentioned in the National Lightning Safety Institute, a grounding rod should be an integrated system for lightning protection, power systems and telecom systems. Have a low overall resistance of 10 ohms or less. Have an even spread of readings across all the individual earth electrode terminations to ensure as far as possible the current is evenly distributed. Have a high resistance to corrosion. Lightning protection grounding enables the lightning protection systems and transient protection devices to operate as intended to protect the system and reduce the risk of dangerous step voltages on ground near the system. A low grounding resistance is recommended, which means small inductance and preferably high capacitance, is essential for the proper operation of transient suppressors and lightning protection systems. There is only one ground electrode system in one installation site. If there are several ground electrodes on the site, for example old and new installations, bond the ground electrodes together to prevent dangerous potential differences during the lightning strike. In general, ground electrode construction and shape depends on soil type. To smoothly disperse the electric current to soil, LEC recommends CHEM grounding rods. Copper-bonded grounding rods are economically advantageous and provide a longer-lasting and safer alternative to galvanized steel options. They are tested for short circuit, corrosion and climatic aging, electrical resistivity and other physical, chemical and electrical conditions. This ensures that all CHEM rods comply with the best international standards. Our Earth Enhancement Compound, Grounding Augmentation Fill, GAF, is filled with moisture-absorbing chemicals that improve the earthing system's performance. LEC weld metal is an easy and efficient field welding system that forms a solid copper molecular bond that does not loosen or corrode throughout the life of the host structure. A grounding rod offers a simple conduit for electricity to travel to Earth, protecting structure and complex where it is installed from problems such as power surge, lightning strikes, short circuit and so on. Contact us to get your ground tested and to know more about our patented CHEM grounding rod.